Let's start off with this 0.8 millimeters wire as the base for these earrings. First, make a loop at one end of the wire. Make sure the other end is as straight as possible so we can put the beads in. We'll start with ferruginous quartz first. Leave a tail enough for us to make a loop. Now let's make a loop so the stone won't slide off. Repeat it for the other ferruginous quartz stone. Next, let's move to the white flower beads. This will bring a contrast color to the earrings. Make a loop just like we did for the two ferruginous quartz. Slide the flower beads in. Cut the extra with enough room to make a loop at the other end. Repeat for the other flower bead. Let's rearrange the beads to make it easier to assemble later. I'll use the gold earrings hook, which is my favorite earrings type. Open the loop on the earring hook and start assembling our earring. Just follow the pattern we have decided earlier. Make sure the connections are sealed properly or it can easily get separated.
Welcome to the place where dreams collide. Hands and heart in rhythm side by side. Every tiny beat tells its own tale. Thread the magic, let your spirit sail. Stringing joy with colors oh so bright. Crafting wonders from the morning light. Every pattern is a dance so true. Bellbeat Studio, we see it through. Come along, create a world so fine. Catch the sparkle, let your fingers shine. In this space where artistry begins. Bellbeat Studio, where love wins. Lay your worries down and find your peace. In the tapestry of sweet release. Every loop's a heartbeat, soft but strong.